Axiom won the first $228.5 million contract to design the suits that will be used during NASA's Artemis moon missions. And Collins won the second $97.2 million contract to design and develop a new generation of suits for the International Space Station. In addition to making the spacesuits, Collins and Axiom will be tasked with providing maintenance and parts to keep the suits in working condition, as well as conducting training and operational support for NASA staff.
The beauty of this contract is the functional requirements for these two suits are very, very close. So at any given time, we could ask either of those contractors to actually start working on the other, what we call platforms. And we also have what we call an on-ramp clause in the contract, which means if another company comes into play and they have the capability to compete, we can actually bring them onto the contract and allow them to compete on task orders as well.
Kearney says the continued competition helps incentivize the contractors to perform on cost and schedule, and ultimately helps keep the expense to the government down. In addition to the fiscal support, NASA also provided the vendors with access to data from the organization's own suit development efforts through its XEMU project.
What we basically did was take that design and we made it available to industry because we put a lot of work and taxpayer money into developing that system. And so as industry came in and proposed on the Artemis suits, they were able to use any of the data we had available from the XEMU development effort.